Hello. I'm going to teach you three awesome functions. And I actually really love one of these particular functions because I had a friend of mine that I used to work with that used to write everything in bloody capital letters. And it's like he was shouting at me all the time. So this is like a text cleansing kind of method. So let's go Jed. Let's say hello. And let's go maybe. And let's go something, right? And what these functions do, it lets you clean up text very easily. So obviously these are all capital letters. I can do three things. I can go lower to that one, and it'll change them all to lowercase. I can go, upper, change this all to uppercase, which it already is. And I can go proper. And that changes every first letter to uppercase and everything else to regular. Okay, so I'm going to extend that to the rest of them, and you'll see how it's cleaned each of the text. Let's do that. So this is really useful, again, if you're cleaning up huge amounts of text, you want it to be very clean, you want it to be organized. These simple functions will do the job. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.